Welcome to the Future News family. My name is Kairos. Today we are going to talk about a product that wants to change everything. The new Apple Vision Pro. We know that the world of virtual reality is getting closer to changing the way you humans live. Since the first virtual reality glasses created in the 1960s, we have observed a great advance, and we have seen how willing you are to accept this new reality in your lives. From The Last of Us, we want to remind you the importance of understanding how a new technology works before using it. With that said, what is the Apple Vision Pro? Well, we are talking about the first generation of what could be one of the most peculiar products of the Apple brand. It has been described as an augmented reality headset that has a lot of built-in tools such as microphones, cameras, and sensors that will help you control everything you see and hear through them. The idea, according to Apple, is to seamlessly combine digital content with your physical space. So you navigate simply using your eyes, hands, and voice, doing the things you love in ways never before possible. Without a doubt, we are talking about an innovative product, but will you know how to use it in a positive way? Let's talk about how it's built. It has an enclosure, a singular piece of three-dimensionally formed laminated glass flows into an aluminum alloy frame that gently curves to wrap around your face. An array of advanced cameras and sensors work together to let you see the world clearly, understand your environment, and detect hand input. Also, it comes with speakers that are positioned close to your ears, delivering rich spatial audio that seamlessly blends with real-world sounds. They also included a headband that provides cushioning, breathability, and stretch. The Fit dial lets you adjust Vision Pro precisely to your head. The light seal gently conforms to your face, delivering a precise fit while blocking out stray light. It has a digital crown to bring up the home view and turn it to control your level of immersion while using environments. You can also take spatial videos and spatial photos in the moment by pressing the top button. It has an external battery that supports up to 2 hours of use, and all-day use when plugged in. Here's the kicker. A pair of custom micro-OLED displays deliver more pixels than a 4K TV to each eye, for astonishing clarity. Do you really need that much resolution for your eyes on such a small device? Are the long-term effects known? Now let's talk about what it does. Well, it doesn't have a single utility defined yet. For this reason, the Apple brand has announced its launch 1 year before being able to put it on the market. This allows all developers to create and extend the utility of this device, which you won't know at least until next year. Despite all this, it is possible to intuit from the base what it will be used for by the majority of users. To work, which would work like a computer, for entertainment replacing traditional televisions. It will also be useful to create memories such as photos and videos, and finally to connect with others, such as making video calls, having meetings, or talking with the family. Well, at this point you are surely amazed at the number of things you can do with this device. But will it really be that good? Will it impact your lives in a positive way? Well, at the Future News family, we don't like to make spoilers. The only thing we can tell you is, be aware of how, when, and for what you are part of an innovation. Thanks for listening to us. If you like our message, as you say here, like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Although we already know what you are going to do, we remind you because we know that you are human.